Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative products. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting tools for your shower routine. The best shower back scrubber wall-mounted, an electric shower scrubber that's truly a game-changer. If you've been struggling to scrub your back properly in the shower, this product will make your life so much easier. Let's start by talking about the design. This scrubber is wall-mounted, which means you don't have to worry about it taking up space or cluttering your shower area. The smart design allows for quick installation, and it sticks securely to your wall with adhesive backing and screws, making it perfect for any bathroom setup. The main body is detachable, so you can easily charge it when needed. When it's time to recharge, simply remove the main unit, connect it to the magnetic charging cable, and you're good to go. And the best part? It's waterproof, which makes it the ideal companion in the shower. This back scrubber features 3 different speed modes, which are adjustable to suit your personal preference. Whether you want a gentle massage or a more thorough cleanse, it has you covered. The automatic 360-degree rotation makes it easy to reach every corner of your back without any effort. No more awkward twisting or straining to reach those hard-to-get spots. The rotating action provides a deep clean, exfoliating your skin to leave it feeling fresh and smooth. One of the standout features of this scrubber is the interchangeable brush heads. You get 3 different types: a nylon brush for cleaning oil and dirt, a silicone massage head for a soothing experience, and a sponge cleaner brush that works quickly to remove grime. Each brush head serves a unique purpose, so you can choose the one that suits your skin's needs on any given day. Plus, they're easy to remove and clean, ensuring that the scrubber stays hygienic for long-term use. Another great feature is the height-adjustable backplate. This allows you to adjust the position of the scrubber based on your height or the height of other family members. With 8 different positions, you can customize it for maximum comfort and ease of use. No more awkward stretching or bending to reach your back. This scrubber is not just functional but also incredibly user-friendly. It's designed to give you a spa-like experience right in the comfort of your own shower. The rotating function does all the work, so all you need to do is relax and let the scrubber take care of your back. Overall, the best shower back scrubber wall-mounted is an amazing tool that combines convenience, effectiveness, and innovation. Whether you're looking to exfoliate, massage, or simply clean your back with ease, this scrubber will make your shower routine so much more enjoyable. If you're ready to upgrade your shower experience, this back scrubber is definitely worth checking out. Stay tuned for more product reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for all the latest insights on the best products available.